Good evening, y'all. Today I'm going to be showing you a aftermath of my trade result. If you could like, subscribe, and comment, I would greatly appreciate it. This information is very educational, and I want to make sure that you guys are seeing the full potential of this strategy and benefit in your own life. So today, you could see here at the bottom that I took QQQ trades. I bought 2 contracts and I sold them about 2 minutes later. I have been witnessing a change, and it's actually very simple. It's a simple change. It's the fact of it's actually the same strategy. It's now that because with day trading, the 4 hour time frame, and then either the 1 minute or the 5 minute. It's the same strategy. The one thing is that I'm not marking out all the levels. I'm not marking out previous levels. It's very tedious, and it's actually more beneficial to view it the same way. It's the same view because all of my confluences consist of the candlestick. These are the 3 confluences that have to appear at the same time. So candlestick, price level, and moving average. We can see here I want to show you guys the reason I chose these stocks. So with my strategies, you can very easily trade the same stocks for a long period of time. So the current economics, if you look on my Instagram, if you go to my Instagram, you will see a framework of strategies. You can see right here, framework of strategies. And it's a little blurry, but you can see the macroeconomics, and that helps with choosing a stock. So the current economics are these take a long time to change. So we could be trading with the same vision every day. So current economic the GDP, that's one, monetary and then fiscal policy. GDP, monetary, and fiscal policy. That is the macroeconomic view. So the GDP is expansionary in an expansionary cycle with the real potential, with the real GDP being greater than potential GDP. We also have lowering interest rates since September 19th, 2025. That is monetary policy, the interest rates. We also have tariffs in China, United Kingdom, Canada, and Mexico. So this is fiscal policy. Fiscal policy has to do with tariffs, government spending, and taxes. You can see right here, these fiscal policies affect government spending, which can result in more capital investment, which can create more output from companies. I chose for this week the S&P 500 and the QQQ strictly because of the economics that we just discussed. I identified the price relative to the moving averages on the 4 hour and the trend of these stocks. The most important thing is waiting for a confluence to appear. It would not be smart. It would not be smart to try and enter, let's say like this, like, let's say that if one of these three confluences were not appearing, right, that would not be smart to enter. Or even right here, right? We can see it sold off here, but you could see it sold here with more right here, right? If we try to take puts, let's say if we didn't enter here and we tried to enter over here, we could see we would have lost. So fortunately, we caught this here, this one candlestick. We have to be very smart with our entries. So it's best to, as soon as the confluence appears, to enter, because that is the best time to enter. Because our confluence can appear multiple times, but it's really about our timing. It is really, really about our timing. And that's the most important part, is timing. So I want to thank you for watching this. I hope this was an educational day trade video that can give you the basic fundamentals of approaching the stock market. And I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. Take care.